Hi, I'm Joe Garcia with Dent Evo Advanced Paintless Dent Removal. So today we've got a small ding on this wheel arch area of this Porsche Carrera 911. Let's take a look. So this is kind of a tough repair. It's small, it's not a huge dent obviously, but it's a little complex. Obviously it's on the arch there. It makes it a little tougher to push and to make look factory spec. Like when it's done, we want it to look like it never happened. No push marks, no cracked paint, none of that. We're gonna even see if we can polish that little scuff out and make it really disappear. So what do I have to do to get access? Feel around in here, I do notice that the inside of the wheel well, where it's flat against the panel here, it does open up a little bit as it approaches this area. Removing the tail lamp, go in through there, slide a tool in between the wheel well and the outer skin,